Previously on the Virtual Verse, Megan decides to go to the local hair salon to relax. She meets up with Brenda. Megan decides on a new look and changes her hair color. Suddenly, Megan's hair catches fire. The whole salon is in panic. Megan, more angry than ever, leaves the salon and signs up to anger management after seeing an ad in the local paper while doing her hair.
The Virtual Verse.
Megan arrives at anger management and is greeted by Charlie with a friendly smile. Charlie shows her around and explains the program to her. After a quick coffee, Charlie invites Megan to sit next to him before the program starts. After 5 weeks of anger management classes, Megan starts having feelings for Charlie. And as we all know, Megan is the fiancée of the local villain Joe. While walking one late afternoon, Joe spots Megan and Charlie having a romantic coffee at the local Italian restaurant. When seeing this, Joe decides with a broken heart to take revenge on Charlie. He comes up with a great idea. Being a hacker by trade, he decides to send a ransomware or a hidden virus to Charlie's email. Joe gets to work and knows that this plan will not only get him revenge on the Megan situation, but that he can also fill up his Bitcoin wallet with some ransomware money. The next morning, Charlie arrives at work full of smiles. He opens his laptop and starts checking his email. Suddenly, an email appears which states that he's the winner of a 7-day holiday to the islands. All he needs to do is click on the link. Very excited, he clicks the link, when suddenly all his wording on his machine starts changing to symbols. This is a ransomware attack. A payment of 2 Bitcoin is required to receive the code to decrypt data. Charlie looks behind him and sees that all the other computers are getting the same screen. If only he didn't click on the link. To be continued. Virtual AntiVirus. Make sure about your click.